isa tong financial strategy na uunahin ang savings at investment. So, kailangan ng disiplina, no? So, dapat nagbabasa tayo ng mga books para yung mindset natin mas mag-enhance about sa financing, no? And kailangan meron tayong goal, no, to ensure na we have sufficient savings or investments before using money for the monthly expenses or other purposes. We need to follow yung yung strategy niya na to, na pay yourself first to allocate dun sa specific amount or percentage of your income, like savings, investment before spending in